Boba Tea Dispenser. This boba dispenser has a fast flow rate and can produce a drink in 5 seconds. Separate spouts prevent the flavors of the drinks from mixing together. It can help you save 40% labor costs and ensure the uniform flavor. How many cups can be produced per hour? It can produce up to 700 cups per hour. Weight calibration. The system uses 6 different weights to calibrate the pump so that the output accuracy is within 1 gram. Pipe cleaning. Pipe port access to water. Click the cleaning function until the pipe comes out clear water. Boba machine suitable for